morning everybody. So I'm at the Audi PHS Q7 event.
Before that, our partner, our contract assembler, Highcom Automotive Manufacturer, the subsidiaries of the RB Highcom, already building our first SKD operation here in 2011.
Starting our electric vehicle production in next year and bringing also the cars like Touareg, like the Audi Q7.
So this is the launch of the Audi Q7. Alright, so we are at the Pekan plant where the Q7 will be assembled. So currently they have a single variant. So it's the Audi Q7 3-liter TFSI based on the Audi, or rather the Volkswagen Touareg and also the Porsche Cayenne. So it shares the same engine, the 3-liter TFSI, equipped with the 7-speed DSG as well, and effectively it is a Volkswagen Touareg. Yeah. So it comes with air suspension as well. So that's the entire assembly line. We're not allowed to go past this line. But that's where the cars are all assembled. So this is again at the Pekan plant. Look at that, that's the assembly line. There are some certain modules over there. So again, this is the CKD Volkswagen, the CKD Audi Q7 3-liter Quattro engine. This is the interior. So it's pretty much a standard Q7 interior. Glove box. So the standard 2-screen configuration. This feels good.
You only have this to inflate the tire.
Yeah.
But I don't know anyone. Do you think this is for the air suspension?
Maybe they have the foam, you know, that the foam you blast into the tire.
It's just to inflate the tire.
So Audi steering wheel, as usual, looks good.
This is a subwoofer.
The pedal shifters are plastic, so it does feel a bit cheap.
Then this looks like an amplifier.
The emblem is pretty nice, pretty decent.
This on it. This is maybe the amplifier.
This is all hard plastic.
This is a cooling unit for
Oh, the mild hybrid system.
maybe.
So power boot release. through the passenger seat. Huge pocket here, side pockets. Just turn on these lights.
I just want the
Rear convent.
look of it.
So it obviously has tri-zone climate control,
Okay.
USB-C.
Understood. But I just want some interior shots first because the exterior I take later. Exterior shots I'll take slightly later because there's a bit crowded. But now interior I got nobody here, so I just take.
Trying hard to get this. There we go. So we need to pull and push this out. It's your cup holders. Overly complicated sort of mechanism over here. This might not work efficiently over time. Okay, it's a bit unnecessary, but yeah, so ample of leg room, headroom as well. So it's a comfortable, spacious. There is a blind as well, which is manual. There's a mini compartment here. Sorry. This is the rear. We open the boot. So powered tailgate. This has a huge boot. So this is a 7-seat configuration over here. So this rear seat can actually fold up and down. So it's automated. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. That's amazing. So this button over here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Look at the huge boot. So I doubt. So this is a 4-wheel drive. So there's no. So this is a mild hybrid, a 48-volt mild hybrid. That's the mild hybrid system. So it produces 340 PS, 500 Newton meters of torque. Comes with 22-inch alloy wheels. Audi has released 3 colors today. We have one in grey, there's one in this dark navy blue, and there's also one in white. So there's only one spec for now. So you have the 3-litre TFSI Quattro configuration. This is their assembly line. I think we might have a tour later, so just wait for them. So this is the preview of the Audi Q7. Audi Q7 is based off the VW Touareg and also VW Cayenne. I mean the Porsche Cayenne, sorry. So the engine configuration is effectively a 3-liter TFSI accompanied with the DSG transmission, 7-speed, which is the exact same configuration as the Touareg and the Cayenne.
Before that, our partner, our contract assembler, Highcom Automotive Manufacturer, the subsidiaries of the RB Highcom, already building our first SKD operation here in 2011. So you can see it here that we have the red colored is what is the building, which is the building that we are sitting now, and then we also have all other 5 buildings there that is actually served for our logistic and also our quality center. In 2025, Pekan itself has building the first Audi model, which is Q7, and the first model of Q7 built in Southeast Asia. Fun fact, Ian, actually the first model that we built here in 2011 is Volkswagen Passat B7. Some of you I know from the team already building that car during that time. And now, 14 years later, we built the Audi Q7 here in the plant. Okay, now I want to bring you to the journey, how the Q7 start in Pekan plant. I will separate or section the journey into 4 sections. So the historical, where we received the first container, and then after that the second portion will be our pre-series era. The third portion will be our start of production, like Mr. Christian mentioned just now, in February 2025. And the last one will be customer experience check, that will be also new from us in Volkswagen production. So the first Audi Q7 shipment arrived in 2024, in September 2024. So we have a small event where we try to remember the event, and then this is the first container arrived in Pekan carrying our 3 car bodies. That will be our pre-series car, and then you can see it here. We were together with our logistic partner, service provider, DHAS, our assemblers, HA, and also our Audi team from Audi AG to remember this event here in Pekan. And then you can see, I bring you through how the logistic operation in Pekan actually working through. So we have a body unloading area where we remove the car body from the container. So we receive 3 car body in 1 container, and then the body will move to the body lifter, to the turntable, and also later on to the hanging lifter. So there is the station where we start to remove the body rack, where the body is located in the container, into the body pallet where the logistic will start to work with.
Hadi, this seems like a, can you go back 1 slide please? This seems like a very lengthy process. How many car bodies do you manage in a day, and how many is the Pekan plant expecting to manage?
Okay, so actually for us, we are expecting to have 5 container body per day. So that means we will have 15 car bodies per day, and then the cycle time of this process is actually 45 minutes.
Good to know, thank you.
Okay, Ian, so I will go now to the next section of the logistic operation. It's a very vital or crucial operation for our team. That will be the quality light tunnel. So this is where our quality team will start to check the appearance of the body from scratch and dents, and also any problematic on the surface area. Because we are really putting care on the quality, this is the first gate of the quality check for our operation. And then after QA, buy it off as an OK body, then it can be transferred to production in the body handling area.
Ms. Hayati, quick question. Are those the light tunnels we see over there?
Starting our electric vehicle production in next year, and bringing also the cars like Touareg, like the Audi Q7, and also starting our export activities next year. This is a promise. Thank you so much for all the support that we have received until now and that we hope will go on receiving as a common team. Thank you. So here you see the gamut of products that are actually being produced here, starting of course with our Golf GTI. I hope all of you have had the chance to drive one, to try it out really with this immense feeling of speed, of powerful engines there. We also then have Golf R as a higher version, the Arteon, Tiguan Allspace and Touareg, and now as our new product, the Audi Q7. So thank you so much for being here with us. Sorry, where is it? Here, building up. Thank you so much for being here together at our start of production event. You will see the beautiful cars in some moments and also hear about the production story now. So I invite, first of all, Christian Kraul from Audi AG to tell us a little bit more about Audi. Christian.
Okay, good morning everyone. VIPs, the whole team who is responsible here every day. Let me shortly introduce myself. My name is Christian Kraul and I'm the CFO of Audi Singapore.
And powered by progress. We are really honored to, with that, deepen our roots here in Malaysia and to become a part of your journey forward. Terima kasih. Introduction of the history of Volkswagen Group Malaysia. Yes, we are called Volkswagen, but it includes, of course, Audi AG and other brands here in Malaysia. As you can see, from our 12 brands, 5 are present here, beginning with Volkswagen, Audi, now also locally assembled, but also Porsche, Scania and MAN. Yes, also the big trucks belong to our group. Some people don't know that, but yeah, we do everything from big to small. And passenger cars, of course, as the core of our activities. To our partners and teams, thank you for your dedication, resilience and belief in this vision. We lived some goosebump moments together, right? I think everybody can remember when we got the first parts, the first approvals, when we built the first R&D cars, and finally the approval of Audi.